If you want to learn how to create a portable, flexible income so you have options going into retirement, stick with me in this video. I'm going to share with you how I've been in Punta Cana. We call it Punta Canada. And over the last week, and I've made $5,000 because 11 months ago, I set up an automated digital business. Going to share with you how it works and how it can work for you too. My name's Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada, and we wanted to figure out how we could create an income going into retirement. I'm 56 years old. That gave us more options because our job kept us at a location and we wanted more options for retirement to be able to travel and be able to earn. And sadly, we got our financial act together late, so we still needed to create that income. I was honestly tired of working for somebody else because they controlled my time, when I could have holidays, for how long, and honestly, how much I could make in my life. So I decided I wanted to take control. I saw a lot of people making money online, even young ones. And I thought if those young ones could do it, so can this grandma from Ontario, Canada. So I was on the hunt. What I found totally blew my mind that there are so many options for us, baby boomers or Gen X's. It doesn't matter your age. You can learn, teach your brain a new skill set and start creating an income online. Let me explain to you exactly what I did to get the results that I have. I've now made over $600,000 in under 11 months by following this blueprint. You want to grab it? Put yes, I do in the comments below. I'm going to share it with you right now. But let's get into how it all works. This is not about lotions and potions and multi-level marketing or things like that. This is about digital marketing. Regardless of what you do online, you need to learn a skill set called digital marketing. I took this exact skill set and applied it to when I was working my 9 to 5, and I increased their profitability by 30% because I learned how to do digital marketing. Now, that is the foundation for any online business. So learning that is key. What I found was a educational e-learning program. Now, for me, that was great. I like learning things. I love learning by video training. I can pause, rewind, go back. It's great for my brain. It helps me. And so I followed this very video-based training. There's also live training, weekly tech support, which was good because I'm not no techie person. And I was able to plug in, start to learn a skill set that I hadn't learned before, and start to apply it in the online space. I just followed what they told me. There's 4 different programs that you can tap into. I was one of these people that was like, you know what? Give me the best program. It was $900. I'm a Canadian. So, exchange or whatever, but it was a one-time purchase. With that best program, taught me everything. It's still teaching me to this day. I love that because the digital space changes on all the time, right? It's an ever evolving platform. So we need to keep up with the times and the learning. Once you get started, you can start and you get going, you get comfortable with it. You can start adding on additional income streams. I'm at 10 different income streams right now. One of them is being monetized here on YouTube. Woohoo! And also there's ways of monetizing from affiliate marketing. You're going to learn all about that. You're going to learn about the digital marketing, monetizing on social media platforms, systems and programs. All these things you get to learn. And then you pick and choose the ones that work best for you. Now, this is what really sold me. One, I got a one-time purchase. So like I said, I did the $900 program, but there's also the $600, $300, and the $100. No monthly costs. Right. You heard that right. Absolutely zero monthly costs. When I hit 6 figures, so my first 2 months I hit 6 figures. It's just boom. I then started to pay for my emails because usually it's around that point in time that you then pay like $29 or something a month for your email automations. But until that point, there was zero monthly cost. That's why this program, I believe, is one of the best ways to learn how to make money online. I wanted a proven system that was helping people generate income online. We have a community of over 48,000 people, so you know it's working, right? I'm a living proof that it's working. Megan, one of my first customers, she's already hit 100,000 by following this exact blueprint. She's from Manitoba. I'm an Ontarian, so it's working globally. I got somebody from Kenya the other day started this business. That's the power of an online business opportunity. That's why creating an income from your phone you can generate so much more money than you can at your typical 9 to 5 because you're opening your doors to the global economy, not just your local economy. What this blueprint gave me was the ability to have the master resale rights over the program that I purchased. Now, what does that mean? That means I have the ability to share the program with other people and make 100% profit. Did you hear me? 100% profit from something somebody else created. Somebody else shows up live and trains and does all the videos. Somebody else who hosts the program. Somebody else who creates all the emails, automations, everything else. And I get to benefit 100% from that. Like, it's hard to believe. Because when you take a course or something at a school, the school can teach that program over and over again. They make 100% of the profit. But with master resale rights, somebody else does all of that, but you get to make the money like crazy, isn't it? So literally, you get to set up a automated business. The program gives you everything you need for that automation. The emails, the sales funnel, and this is what mine looks like. I know it sounds like a big word, but it's something that gives you your freedom back when you have automation. That is why, while I was here with friends having dinner, this is what happened because I had automation. While I was out on a catamaran yesterday making money from a boat, because it's a set the system up, leave it, and forget about it. You do income producing activities each day, and the program shows you what to do. And then the automations take over, which is great. So we show you how you can leverage social media to start to make money. Now, I'm been doing this for just under 1 year. So it's 11 months and a bit. I've already made $600,000. So that's allowed me to retire from my 9 to 5. It's allowed me to create a portable, flexible income to be here at the Dominican and create an income this past week while I'm here. It's given my husband and I so many more options than we ever thought or dreamt possible. I've now opened 10 different income streams. So I make money every day from something and to more than I could ever have imagined. And it's all because I've learned and taught myself a new skill set. If you want to learn, you can do the exact same thing. It's been radically changing our life. It can change yours. It's been changing so many. Our community is full of people like, check this out, right? This is another one. Now, this is a global business. So it doesn't matter where you are, where you call home, or where you travel to, you can run this business, which was a dream of mine. So if you're interested in that as well, put yes, I am. I'm going to send you the blueprint so you can check it out for you because that's how you make an informed decision. So literally, this is funny. You're not going to believe it. While I was shooting this video right now, this is what just popped in to my automations. Plus, I had 2 other sales of 29 and 18. So literally that plus 29 and 18, I just made over this last minute while shooting this video. Like I couldn't make this stuff up if I tried. Like seriously, that's the power of automations. That is why creating an automated digital business is the wave of the future. It's what's changing lives. I know you see it. You see it online. You think, how is this possible? This is how it's possible. So once you go through the training process and learn, follow the steps, set up your automated business. You have tech support if you need it. Like I'm not techie, so thank goodness for that. Then you're able to start running your business. I was able to make an income on day 4. Day 4, I paid for my complete program because it's the Master Resale Rights, right? I pay once. I made my income back on day 4. There's no monthly costs. The only additional thing I had to purchase was my GoDaddy domain and email address so that I was professional. So this is mine right here. So you go there, you're going to see my landing page. Put your email address in and you're going to get my automated emails. And that's exactly what gives you your freedom back because those emails, this system gives you all the information that you need to understand how it works. So if you want to learn the exact same strategy, the exact same blueprint that this grandma has been following for over 11 months to create over $600,000, look in the link below. You're going to see the blueprint. Check it out for you. Email me back, ask me questions. I'm always happy to help you make an informed decision for yourself. I'm not sure if this is for you, but it's radically changing my life and thousands of others. If you want to create that portable, flexible income for your retirement, just check this out. Does not matter your skill set, if you're techie or not, or if you have no clue what to do. That's what this blueprint is all about. It's going to show you step by step how to start creating that income that you desire online. Hey, here at the beach now. So if you have any questions, you want to learn more about how you can make a portable, flexible income online, just check out the description below. If you have any questions, I'm always here to answer them. Adios.